So for question 7a, given that 1 over u is equals to 0.015151515, so actually this is recurring decimal to become a fraction. So from this decimal that we're repeating, the repeating decimal here, we're going to recover it, become a decimal. So they said this decimal, this repeating decimal can be written equals to p plus q plus x. So p, q, s are the first term in the geometry progression. If p is starting from 0.15, so for our recurring decimal here, where 0.0151515 non-stop repeating 151515, so actually it is equals to 0.015. So this is our p plus 0.00015. So we can get this, continue, 0.000005 decimal already 0, then only continue we can get another 15. This is how we repeat the things, and 0.15 and continues. So this represent by p plus q plus s. State the value of p and q. State the value q and s. So therefore we can read here, when our p is equal to 0.015, actually our q can be equal to 0.00015, and s is equal to 0.0000015. So that will be our first part, state the value q and s. Then hence we have to find the value of u. So we have to recovering this decimal. Find back what is the fraction, original fraction from this decimal. So 1 over u is equals to 0.015 plus 0.00015 plus, so here obviously is a sum to infinity in geometry progression, where we can read the first term here is 0.015, and common ratio here we can take the second term, divide by first term. It will give you 0.01. So this 1 over u will equals to the sum to infinity, because the decimal will be non-stop. This decimal will be non-stop repeating. So means that it will sum to infinity for this concept. So for sum to infinity, our formula will be a over 1 minus r. So when you press your calculator, you will get back your fraction. It will be 1 over 66. Means that our u value here is 66. So that's all. So we're going to look here when they ask us to state out q and s. So this is our answer when we state out q and s. And how we doing this recurring decimal is as a concept of sum to infinity in geometry here. So we get our a, get our r, and then put in sum to infinity formula to find out what is our u value.